Second Chance Animal Rescue is a 501c3 nonprofit organization founded in February of 2000 by our director, Bonnie Lucas. We rescue, rehabilitate, and secure permanent homes for abandoned and abused dogs rescued from the streets of Puerto Rico. The island of Puerto Rico has been plagued by a severe stray animal population for many years. However, Hurricane Maria has now intensified the stray dog populations to epidemic proportions. After 140 days of no water or electricity, Second Chance continues to provide shelter, medical attention, and hope to these animals that continue to be abandoned and forced to suffer on the streets. Small, but dedicated organizations such as Second Chance Animal Rescue in Puerto Rico have played a significant role in saving hundreds of forgotten animals for close to 20 years. Our goal is to place each rescue into a loving home stateside. The Sato Heart Rescue of New Hampshire is a small group of dedicated individuals in the Hillsborough County area who work exclusively with the Second Chance Animal Rescue in Villalba, Puerto Rico, to find homes for Satos. Sato is Puerto Rican slang for street and/or stray dogs. Adopting a rescue dog can be such a rewarding experience. If you have never rescued a dog before and are thinking about it now, here are a few things to keep in mind. Newly adopted dogs are a big flight risk. We have seen it many times where a newly adopted dog, especially a rescue dog, that has been moved from place to place, go missing within the first few days of being in their new home, even if they are now living in the best place possible. It's no fault of the new owner. The dogs are usually just confused and unfamiliar with their new family members, their new surroundings, and they may not comprehend that they are finally home. Caring for a dog is a long-term commitment. These dogs can live up to 10 to 17 years. Which is amazing considering what some of them had to endure already. Some of these dogs have come from very miserable situations. One of neglect and abandonment, some thrown in dumpsters like a piece of garbage. Some have endured unspeakable injuries and have festering wounds. Some going weeks without treatment for a disease. Some have had no loving touches, no food for weeks, no clean water. The list goes on and on. Thankfully, Second Chance Animal Rescue of Puerto Rico steps in and starts the process of saving many of these beautiful souls as they can. They get shelter, loving touches, food, water, and medical care. Once well enough, they get shipped stateside. Lucky for them, and us, we get some amazing dogs sent to New Hampshire. Once the pack arrives to New Hampshire, Sato Heart Rescue steps up and helps these dogs transition into loving, deserving homes so that they can have a family to call their own. Keep in mind that everything is strange and new to them. Do not feel impatient if they do not sleep in the brand new bed you bought them. Yesterday, they had none. Do not be scared if they gobble up all their food, or maybe even growl at you. Yesterday, they had to do that in order to survive. Do not get angry if they defecate on the floor. Yesterday, it did not matter where they went. There were no boundaries. Do not be sad if they're afraid or cower from your loving hands. Yesterday, they did not have one. Have patience with them. It's your world, but not yet theirs. If they trust you, you'll get their greatest gifts: loyalty, companionship, and unconditional love. Please never forget these are Sato dogs and all they need is a bit of time to adjust. We promise you won't regret the outcome. Sato dogs are the best and will be a friend and loving companion for life. There's nothing more delightful than looking into your dog's eyes and seeing the overflowing gratitude and love. Thank you for considering adopting a dog. To be a part of their journey is an incredible feeling, and it is absolutely the most rewarding experience. If you can't adopt a dog right now, there are many other ways to help, such as fundraisers, fostering, food and dog supplies, donations, and sharing our information on social media platforms. Please visit our website at www.satoheartrescue.org and be sure to like our Facebook page.